All right, so now we're going to take a look at how YouTube can be very helpful in the digital classroom in creating playlists and finding specific educational videos for your students to watch. So we're going to go to youtube.com, and I've already typed in a search here. We're going to do baby goats, and we'll search baby goats because why not? It's the summertime. And so we've searched baby goats, and we see that these are our search results. If you'd like to filter your search results, you can click this button right here, and this is Advanced Filters. And maybe you're searching for something within a specific time frame or from a specific channel, playlist, shorter than 4 minutes. So you can click these particular settings to really narrow down your search even more. So I'm going to click that it should be under 4 minutes, and these are the results I have. So once I have these search results, I obviously would want to go in and start taking a look and making sure these videos are appropriate and what I would like to add to a series of playlists for my students. So I already had this one, and I added that to a playlist. So let's assume I've watched all these. I can click them and what this ad, Zaxby's ad. So if I have this video and I've already watched it, I can add it to this playlist right by doing this button right here, which is that little plus button. Now, if I want to create a playlist, which I already have created one for my baby goats up here, but if I wanted to create one, I would say create new, and then I could type in the name of the playlist that I wanted to create. I also can select whether or not I want it to be public, unlisted, or private. So unlisted would mean that if you have the link, you can watch it. But if you don't, then obviously it's not going to show up to any person that's going to search for that. They're not going to see that you have a playlist on baby goats if you do it as unlisted. So that's how you would create a playlist. But again, I had already done that. And so I could add this video to baby goats, and it will now be there. Now I'll go back, and let's say I want to do the same thing here. And of course, we're again seeing ads, which is another reason you may want to create playlists and put it into a slides presentation so you can avoid some of that. But you will play with the plus button, add to baby goats, and now let's go over here to the left-hand side and see where our playlist is. So we hit the menu here, and we can press baby goats, and we see that I have 3 videos in my unlisted playlist. So again, unlisted just means that if you have the link, you can find it, but if you don't, then you can't. Like, just search that Canvas English has a playlist on baby goats. So there's a few things that you can do within this playlist that is pretty important. One, the most important thing is that you can share this playlist. Okay, so I have this link right here, and I can copy that link, and I could bring it over here to my slides presentation. Let's see if we can insert. Not going to let us load here. We can insert the link by just pasting. And now we have a playlist that students can click and go to that series of videos. The other thing you can do is you can change the order of the videos if you'd like. But what's nice is when you pull up this link to this series of videos, you see over here, rather than getting all the additional things that come up on the side, you have just the videos that are there, and a student would just simply press play all, and they're going to see all the videos come up simultaneously after each other. So that is how you would search for a video, create a playlist, add videos to the playlist, and then share your playlist.